Hello everyone, Yapandi here. Today I will show you GeGe AP 2000 with 5 pins. Here we have key with the beating. As you can see, pin number 1 is max lift, number 2 is very high, number 3 and 5 it's almost zero lift, number 4 is quite high as well. This is a very interesting lock and not easy, even if you have only 5 pins. Tolerances in this lock are really good. For keeping chambers has over meaning. As you can see, chamber number 1 is not over milled, and inside we have very characteristic drivers. There are serrated, but they are also behave like spools, because the serration is quite big. In chamber number 4 we have this pin. I don't know it will be visible. It's some kind of micro T pin. And this micro T pin with this overmilling on the keeping chamber behave like some kind of taper pin, so you will need to set this pin again. I think it's all from the internals. During the picking I will be use custom pick, some deep hook, because the beating on this lock demands that. And what I can say more? Okay, QA on the GeGe AP 2000 with 5, 6 and 7 pins always is very demanding. I will be use custom pick for picking this lock. It is a tiny custom pick, so I have really good access for each pin. You can use SS deep hook, or I think all hooks, all picks with thickness something about 0.4 millimeter. Okay, so one more thing. In this lock I have 3 key pins mastered, number 3, 4 and 5, but I think it's not easier, because number 3 and number 5 are practically zero lift or very low lifts. Number 4 is quite high, I can say middle. So this mastering is not easier. Okay, no more talking, let's go and pick this lock. GeGe AP 2000. So let's try to pick clockwise tension, heavy, and we are looking for binding pins. First is loose, second, third is loose. Now number 4. Okay. Number 5. Number 1 is hard binding. Okay, it's first. That was number 5. Number 1. Number 2. Number 4 is set, and number 5. It's good. Number 1 is good. Number 2. Now it's good as well. Number 3 is good. Number 4. And number 5. Let's check. Number 1 is good. Number 2 a little quick. Number 3. Number 4 is good, and now number 5, and we have open. Okay, it's really demanding lock. Definitely not the easiest. As for the 4 pinners, 5 pinners, no, maybe in that way. C-clip is quite annoying, but we have it. Okay, I never got this lock earlier. So let's try. As you can see, 5 pins, anti-drill protection, no, number 3 is mustard, number 4 as well, and number 5 also is mustard. And now drivers. Okay. Yeah, we have all springs. Okay, so that will be all from this log. GeGe AP 2000 with 5 pins, 3 are mustard, pick it and got it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Cheers.